Hello, Brian. Coach Brian. I hope you're well. My name is Charles Marine. I'm with your local SEO professionals. I started this company to help small businesses attract more clients by building their online presence. This is me. Um, I thanks for reaching out to me on Facebook. I am taking a look at your website right now, and I'm doing this because I've realized small business owners don't have the time to work on their websites to optimize them, whereas most of their clients use Google to search for local businesses. Um, so I'm hoping to be able to bridge that gap and build businesses' online presence so that they can be seen by their target clients. So I'm gonna give you a couple of tips that can help you with your website, and hopefully you can implement these. Yeah, and draw in more clients. So let me get started. The three main things I want to talk about, which are backlinks, citations, and content. Content, citations, and backlinks. And I'm going to explain each of them. But first, very first thing I want to say, just looking at your website, all the way at the bottom here, where you have your terms and conditions and your privacy policy, these do not link anywhere. They just like take someone back to the top of the page. Um, I'm hoping that you do have terms and conditions and a privacy policy for your website, but it just right now it just sends people up to the top of your page. All right, so content. Let's start with content. Content is everything. You can see that I've highlighted on the screen. Pictures. Google considers pictures, rather the text behind pictures, as content, and all the words on your page. To optimize with Google, it's important to have about 1,000 to 1,500 words of authoritative text on your page, and to saturate it with keywords. Now, keywords are what people type into Google to search for your product. For example, I guess in your business, I would go to Google and search for a life coach near me. Yeah, right here. I'm in Philadelphia, so an even better search term would be a life coach in Philadelphia. More location specific. This is a keyword. Various keywords have various amounts of volume, and I'm going to go into that in a little bit. But just back to your website. So 1,000 to 1,500 words of authoritative content saturated with keywords. I noticed that you don't have any other pages, really. Even all your pages just link down to this one page. So I guess this is just one big landing page. If you were gonna rank on Google, it'd be better to have different pages. Now I don't know where you're located, but if you want to rank locally in different cities, then it would be good to have location pages. And also, I would say if you have different products, then you'd have different service pages as well. I can tell rather than, I guess what you're aiming for right now is just a one-stop site that will get people to sign up with you or book a call with you. So in terms of marketing, I guess I would lean towards ads, Google ads, Facebook ads, and even on LinkedIn, just so that you can get yourself out there really quick and have people clicking on you, get in there, rather than organic listings. Sorry, building your presence to rank here organically. The advice I'm giving is for someone to be able to rank here organically in local searches. So I'm just going to use Philadelphia. I also want to just say one last thing about content. Now, if you see, these images are saved as, like now, brands edited master product suite. I would rather save it as a keyword. For example, life, life coach Philadelphia, or best of free book, or any kind of keyword that will help you rank, because Google does read that. Second thing I want to talk about is citations. Now, you see, if I search for a life coach Philadelphia, this section here is called the map pack, with a map and 3 businesses. Here has 4 businesses because this one has a Google ad specifically for the map pack. But the way to rank here in searches is to have more and more citations across the internet. Now, what are citations? Citations are anywhere your name, address, and phone number are listed in directories across the internet. And by directories, I mean, for example, Yelp, LinkedIn, Better Business Bureau, Dexnos, etc. Now, to outrank these guys here, once again, I just want to mention this is a local search. I'm not sure where you're located, so my example is Philadelphia. To outrank these people here, I would go in, I would look, I'd research all their directories where they're cited, all the citations, and then cite your business there, your name, address, and phone number. And not only that, you want to maybe double or triple the number of citations they have so that you'll always appear here. Your site and your business will always appear here. Third thing I want to talk about is backlinks. Backlinks has more to do with this organic section down here, organic listings. Backlinks are basically any other any other web page that has a link directing to your website. So, for example, if there's a forum for life coaches in California and they write a blog and have a link to your website, that's what's considered a backlink. Now, not all backlinks are the same. The example I gave, a life coach forum in California, Google sees that as authoritative because you're in the same business. However, if Pizza Hut is linking to you, that won't count much in Google's eyes because those are 2 different industries. So those are the 3 things I wanted to talk about. I have tools that research backlinks and research competitors' backlinks, and I'm able to build backlinks so that you can rank higher in this section. All right, thanks for your time. I was hoping to keep this short, below 8 minutes. Once again, my name is Charles with Your Local SEO Professionals. My email address is charles@yourlocalseopros.com. I hope you can take these hints, these tips, and utilize them. If you would like to work together, you can get into contact with me. Thank you very much, Brian. All the best.